Let's just get the new muffler and look at it. I'll be...
Alright, so today we are trying to put a new fucking muffler on this 96 Nissan pickup.
I would say film with my iPhone probably has better quality.
Yeah, fuck your iPhone.
Well, your phone might be able to be good. I haven't checked out the video settings.
Well, limited slip differential here. Flash ain't on. That's pretty gay. Yeah, so this is like a floppy penis right now.
I almost just busted ass.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, trying to get a new fucking muffler on my truck.
Alright, so...
Trying to get a new muffler on my truck here.
That's a new muffler right there. Because, you know, this shit can't pass emissions.
So, first of all, the pipe, the exit exhaust pipe needs to go over the differential so it can hang from the exhaust hangers.
Which are probably right here, which you probably can't see because our fucking lighting is horse.
Oh, yeah. It's horrid.
It's horse. And then they got a little dangly nutsack thing right here.
I think I just figured out how we could do this. Okay, so the diameter of this entrance hole looks wider than the diameter of this pipe, so I think we just slip it on. It won't be very great, but you know what? I think if we really push it on there, it'll stay on. I honestly think we could do that. It's so horrible. But
You know what I have to say, but you know what I have to say about this?
Nobody gives a fuck.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. Fuck it, mate. All right, so we gotta get this pipe over.
Okay.
Oh damn, we gotta go way farther back if we're gonna make it over the differential. No, we gotta go farther back because we got to get the tip, just the tip over the differential.
Just the tip.
Just the fucking tip.
All right.
Why, dude? This fucking shipping label's gonna burn right the fuck off when we start driving. I don't care.
Oh, we should get a bolt forward and after.
We have to watch out for exhaust hangers because they'll get caught on things and they'll keep us from pushing it. So that kept me from getting the old one out.
All right, here's the exhaust hanger now. A fucking piece of Kanthal wire.
Yeah, it's a little bit stronger than Kanthal.
Oh no.
Alright. When you just kind of... Oh wait, we have the oxygen sensor here that you need to watch out for. Don't really need to...
Alright, set up camera. Okay, there you go. Okay, we got side pipes. It is in the fender.
Okay, so now what it needs to do is you need to go below the fender. It's gonna have to come out kind of... No, actually, no, what happened... Yeah, this is gonna be... It's gonna be pushed out kind of far, but that's just what we're gonna have to do because... It's a quiet flow.
It's a quiet flow, like I said. It's gonna be quiet as fuck.
Oh, okay. You didn't tell me I did that.
I told you it was in the fender.
Stop. Oh shit! Hang on. Just there's a reason I'm stopping. It's for myself. Rust in the eye, almost.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Fuck. Okay, rust. I'm still there for rust.
Yeah.
Ow! I got fucking differential rust in my eye.
Fight the power.
Okay. Now we need to.
Okay, first of all,
push it towards me. Okay.
Okay, we hear.
This isn't working as good as I thought.
Oh, god damn it. Okay.
Rust in your eye?
Nearly. Okay, if I go right here, I probably won't get it in my eye.
Probably will, probably not. Let's find out.
Shit, okay. Here's the deal, because this pipe went into the muffler, so this is technically part of the old muffler.
Right.
So it's adding extra length, which means that this is going to be... Ooh, there's the drive shaft. Oh! Shouldn't have touched it. Fuck is wrong with me?
Was it hot or did you get rust in your eye?
I got rust in my fucking eye. It wouldn't be hot.
This thing's a fucking rust bucket.
Oh, yeah, I feel sorry for this poor baby, but if I got the fuck... Never mind.
Got the bucket?
Okay, so...
Dude, let's just make a fucking, like, down pipe at the end. A down pipe service.
The problem is we
can't do that.
There we go.
Yes.
Stop. We don't need them any now.
Slips right in and now...
Oh, fuck! Fucking cock.
Only if we had a welder. Or we're just gonna shove this whole thing into there and just connect it from there.
Yep. Yeah, we really are.
We're just gonna fucking put it in. We're just gonna shove this whole fucking piece right here. We're gonna shove this all the way into this fucking muffler. Then we're gonna connect it to this.
I'm sorry guys, but it's just gonna have to work. I'm just gonna end up taking this back off anyway.
All 0 subscribers I have are gonna watch this.
Right. We just needed to pass the missions. That's the only reason we need an actual muffler.
Yep.
This bitch was cheap too. It was only like $100.
Dude, look, it came with a fucking like mint ass scratch on it. Hashtag Haggard Garage.
Okay, here's what I'm gonna do.
Gotta give them credit for that. Ah, fuck my eyeball. I got rust, dude.
Okay, now
just shove it in the hole.
Well, actually, we need to turn it. Look how angled it's at. It needs to not be that much angled. Okay, so slip.
Fuck, I just swallowed rust.
You good? No. Oh, damn, I'm gonna need the hammer.
Hammer time.
That is not the hammer. That is the thing that is keeping us alive.
Here it is. Found it.
All right, here.
I'm gonna hit it.
Well, no, you don't hit from that way.
Oh, okay.
I need to get it off for a second, a little bit.
I just pull it and it will come off.
Oh, that's good. That's probably what fucking did it mostly. Okay, now stop. Move your hand. Right about.
Alright, so that's the little muffler right here. I'm jerking it over now. You always gotta say sexual things on YouTube just to get likes.
All right, what I need you to do is take the muffler and go back and forth so we can get it to go down the shaft.
Alright, well.